In lane 1, representing Sweden, Kit Eklöf. Lane 2, representing Spain, Eloy Dali. Lane 3, representing Serbia, Sergej Elola Šarić. Lane 4, representing Finland, Oki Vuonoranta. Lane 5, representing Switzerland, Greg Zwigart. Na torze 6, reprezentant Polski, Damian Tęcza. Lane 7, representing Italy, Daniele Mario Piemontese. And lane 8, representing Belgium, Gaetan Pite.
Dobra, zobaczymy.
Eloy Dali from Spain, the winner of Heat 8 with 7.34. Second, Greg Zwigart from Switzerland with 7.44.